I love the waterfall braid, and what I think I love even more is this really cute waterfall twist. So today I wanted to show you how to do it. It's really, really easy, and you can do so many different things with it. I'm going to show you how to do this hairstyle today, but you can use the same technique to just do it on one side or straight across or however you would like. It looks so cute, and I'm excited to show you, so let's get started. Okay, so we're just going to start by taking a section of hair, just right through here. Just about that big. And we're going to separate that into two pieces. Just like that. Now we're going to take this front piece and cross it over the other piece. And then we're going to twist those. Just one time like that. Now we're going to open those up and we're going to take a section of hair here from the top. And these sections can be as big or as small as you would like. We're going to take that section and we're going to put it in the middle. And we're going to take this bottom section and we're going to bring it up and we're going to twist those pieces. And we're just going to repeat the same thing. We're going to grab a section of hair and put that in the middle of those two pieces. Bring that bottom piece up and twist. Now we want this to start to cascade, so we're going to start to take it down towards the bottom of our neck. Just grabbing a piece, put it right there in the middle, take that bottom piece up and twist. You can see that I'm just slowly taking that down. Okay, we're going to take a couple more sections. Grabbing that section. Our pieces are getting kind of small, but we're still just putting that in between. Taking that bottom piece up and twisting. And these might bubble up, but you can just pull that hair. It will all smooth out. Okay, let's take one more piece. All right, once you're done with your twist, we're just going to secure that with a bobby pin or two. All right, and then we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side so that that will meet up with this other side here. So we're just taking our section of hair and splitting that down the middle, and we're just going to begin our twist. Grabbing a section of hair, putting that in the middle. We're going to take our bottom piece up and twist. All right, and taking one last section from this side. All right, and I'm just going to add one more bobby pin back there just to keep everything extra secure. I'm gonna add a little more volume up through there. And you can do whatever you want from this point. You could also start your twist up a little bit higher. You could do 2 twists in a row, which would be very pretty. You can do anything that you want. I've also seen where girls wear headbands and they really poof this part up really, really big, which is super cute. And you can also add a little accessory here in the back. And I have this cute bow. I'm just going to put that back there. All right, and once it is the way that you like it, I'm just going to finish it with some hairspray. And that is it. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope that you were able to follow along with me. Please let me know if you try it, and I would love to see if you guys do different hairstyles with this waterfall twist. Please send me pictures to Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.